Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I will show you how to remove the taillight and replace the light bulbs on a 2008 Ford Escape. This works from 2008 all the way up to 2012. This is very easy and straightforward. To start, open the trunk, and then you will have two Phillips screws holding the taillight assembly. So one is here and the other one is down here. First unscrew those and remove them. Okay, once those two screws are taken out, the taillight will become loose. Now be careful, you have to pull it straight towards yourself, not to the side, because there are two pins right here holding the taillight in place, so you don't want to break those. So like I said, pull it straight out towards yourself like this. To remove the light bulbs, just turn this anti-clockwise like this. And to remove the other, this is the reverse light bulb, also turn it anti-clockwise. And once you do that, you can completely remove the taillight. Okay, to pull the bulb out, you just literally pull it out like this. Very simple and easy to do yourself. Thank you for watching this short video. If it was helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I try to post new videos daily.